Okay, this is another video on the 4.7 Jeep V8 idle air control valve. I'm going to show you the short version of it, that you don't have to go through all the work that I did the first time and all the work that everybody tells you have to, because right there is the valve. All you gotta do is unplug this. I think you can see it right there. I'm gonna get a light. Okay, on my last video I showed taking off the air cleaner and all that stuff, and it makes it more accessible. But it's not that inaccessible right there. I mean, if I can see it, you can get to it. Just use an extension. It's just about that simple. Now, I'm not going to set this up to record all this for the simple fact I don't have a tripod out here, and it's a little bit cold. But I'm just showing you that it can be gotten to right there. This is the solenoid that goes in. Nice and simple. All you gotta do is put it in the right direction, which is just like that. So I'm gonna do it, and then I'll tell you how long it took me. The new valve is in. Took me a whole 3 minutes, not counting the time that it took me to find the bit that I dropped, which I still haven't found. So I had to go find another one, put in its place. Dropping things is going to be your biggest problem, but that is the quickest, simplest, and easiest thing to do. The only thing you got to unhook is this hose right here. That's it. Just pull it off. Just like that. Slip it back on. 2 screws, 1 plug in, 1 clip. You just squeeze it right there on the top. It slips right off. And you're ready to roll. Now I have to go in search of my brand new Torx bit. Oh, and it's a T25. Takes out those 2 screws. 1 up there on the top, 1 down there on the bottom. Okay, that's the shortest version of this you will get, and that eliminates all of the taking all this other stuff off that everybody else said to do, and even I said to do, because I followed their steps when I really didn't need to. And that bit is just gone. Dang it. I've just bought that too. That's about as bad as a 10mm. So, to put this in real time, from the moment you pop the hood to the moment you shut the hood, this job is about 5 minutes. And if you just use a regular T25 screwdriver instead of one of those with the magnetic tips, are nice unless you lose the bit. It's just what happened to me. I dropped my bit down here in no man's land. I heard it slide down the rail, so I have no idea where it's at. But I was just checking to find the size. Now you know the size, so it's just easy to get to those 2 screws, come straight out, that hose, and you're done. 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen. There goes my dog. And treat people the way you want to be treated. Take care. Bye.